Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Math Review, Tuesday, January the 5th. And we have some models here at the bottom of our question. We have to figure out, let's see what they're asking us to do. Look at each model below. We have 3 different models. Determine if the model represents a prime or a composite number. Determine if the model represents an even or odd number. So there's 2 things that I'm doing here. I need to first figure out if this model is a prime or a composite number. And then I need to see if it's odd or even. So this is going to be a review of prime and composite, odd and even. And the way that I like to do this, instead of just looking at it, I'm going to put some numbers attached to it. So I'm going to count how many little squares we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 2 rows, so I have 10 squares. And I have 4 circles. And when I add them together, my answer is 14. Now, first of all, is 14 a prime or composite number? Remember, prime numbers have only 2 factors, 1 and itself. Composite numbers have more than 2 factors. So the number 14, what are some factors of 14? Well, I know that 2 times 7 is equal to 14. All right, so 2 times 7 is equal to 14, also 14 times 1. So this is a composite number. Okay, so this is composite because it has more than 2 factors. Okay, now odd or even. Remember, numbers that end with, in the ones place, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even because they can be divided into even groups. Numbers that have in the ones place a 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd. So this is also an even number. Okay, it's composite and it's even. Let's look at this next model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 rows of 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, plus another 4 is 8, 9, 10. 18 plus 10 is 28. What are the factors of 28? Well, the factors of 28 are 28, we can go ahead and say 2 times 14 is 28. Okay, we also could say 4 times 7 is equal to 28. All right, so we know that there's more than 2 factors, therefore it has to be composite. There's an 8 in the ones place. It's also even. We can divide it into 2 groups. 2 groups, 14 and 14. All right, let's look at this next model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I'm going to try this again because I got mixed up. I'm going to put my little dots in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Sometimes you have to count more than once. 13 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which would give us 23. What are the factors of 23? I'm going to start with 2. It's not going to be a multiple of 2 because it's an odd number. I can already say it's odd. Is anything times 3 equal 23? Well, 7 times 3 is 21. No. Okay. 8 times 3 is 24. No. Okay. Anything times 4? No, because it's odd. Anything times 5? No, it doesn't end in a 5 or a 0. Anything times 7? No. Oh, guess what? 23 is a prime number. The only 2 factors of 23 are 23 times 1. All right, so this model is composite and even. This model is composite and even. This model is prime and odd. Please check your work. Go back and look at your prime and composite table, that 100s chart that we did at the beginning of the year, if you were with me or with Mrs. Corp. We both did those at the beginning of the year. All right, check your work and contact me if you have any questions. Thank you.